Reporting gives you a high-level view of your Covideo account. By aggregating data from all of your videos, you're able to identify trends, monitor success, and track your most effective videos and calls to action. This means that you can replicate what works, resolve what doesn't, and connect your efforts with results for insights into ROI. Note that reporting differs from analytics in that it gives you a big picture view of all of your videos, while analytics drills down into the specifics of a singular video. Your report's overview allows you to quickly see your most important metrics at a glance. Most viewed videos and best performing calls to action are also called out and can be found on the right-hand sidebar. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find some additional reporting features. Custom Reports allows you to create, manage, view, and edit your own specific reports. All data is where you can view all of your metrics at once in list form. And history shows any recurring reports you've created that have been sent out in the past. To edit the metrics that appear on your overview dashboard, click Customize. Here, you can add, remove, and rearrange the graphs you'd like to display. Click Update when done. To save your overview reports as a PDF, just click Download. On the Overview dashboard, you can use the drop-down to select between various date ranges or set a custom range. The exact date range will appear next to the selector box. Each metric will display a total for the selected date range, as well as a graph depicting data over time, with dates on the bottom or x-axis and numbers on the vertical or y-axis. Hovering over the chart will show data for a specific date. To drill down into the various reports, click See More. Again, you can change the date range and hover over the chart to view information about specific days. Scroll down to see relevant information that pertains to this data, like videos, calls to actions, and viewer email addresses. To save or share this information, you can choose to create a recurring report, download it as a CSV, or send it to yourself or a teammate. Under Custom Reports, you can pull specific data for a certain date range on a one-off basis, and then download, send, or save them as recurring reports. To start, click Create New. Then choose what data you'd like to appear in the report and click Continue. Give your report a name and select a default date range. Now, click Create Report. Here, you can download or email the report out. To set it as a recurring report, switch to the Recurring tab. Then click New Recurring. Under Recipients, add the email addresses for who you'd like the report to be sent to. Then choose the frequency, as well as preferred delivery day and time. When done, click Create. Now the report is set up and will begin sending out at the specified time. Past reports can be found under the History tab.